Okay guys, so here's the truck that we're going to start playing with. 88 Ford Ranger, regular cab, short box. I took some of the headlights and taillights off for now, just to get things going. Yeah, overall clean truck. It's got no coils on the front, that's why it's slammed like crazy, but yeah, basically small cab corner rot as always. That's just bird shit pretty much. It's got a hard tonneau on it. Originally it was a drag truck, which is, you see the on-off switch and the positive negative terminals, but other than that, it's pretty clean. It was resprayed. It was yellow before. I don't know who would buy a yellow Ranger, but definitely love the color now. It's definitely gonna get a color change. Previous owner, as you can see, made a full rat's nest out of it. Apparently wanted to do a mega squirt, or I don't know, aluminum dash. I don't know, but it's got lovely, I think, CRX seats, Honda CRX. And then yeah, as you can tell, took the tail lights off, took the headlights off, all that. But yeah, and then door panels look good, nice and classy. And then a little bit of cab corner rot. Nothing crazy, but for the age, what are you gonna do, right? So, and then as you can tell, nothing in here. So, first things first, take the cab off, take the box off, and then a buddy of mine, we're gonna box the frame in. Apparently that's very common for V8 swaps with the I think it's the Hedman conversion style headers. You gotta notch the frame. I don't really like that too much. These trucks are very flexible to begin with, and now you cut another section out of it without boxing it in. Pretty much looking for a disaster, right? So, but yeah, that's the build. Any ideas, any suggestions? If you've done a V8 swap, give me some hints. And yeah, thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you like what you see or what you want to see, and we'll go from there. Take care, guys.